Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Hyundai Tucson versus Toyota Fortuner. The Hyundai Tucson offers a refined driving experience and modern features, appealing to urban drivers. Conversely, the Toyota Fortuner is a rugged, off-road capable SUV, designed for challenging terrains and heavy-duty use. We will explore their performance, interior, safety, and overall value to determine which vehicle best suits your lifestyle and needs. When it comes to performance, the Tucson typically offers a more comfortable and agile ride, ideal for daily commutes and highway cruising. Its engines prioritize fuel efficiency and a quiet cabin. The Fortuner, however, boasts a more robust chassis and powerful engine options, making it a formidable choice for off-road adventures and towing. Its suspension is designed to handle challenging conditions with ease, providing a rugged driving experience. Inside, the Hyundai Tucson often presents a more contemporary and tech-forward cabin, featuring larger infotainment screens and advanced driver assistance systems. The Toyota Fortuner provides a more utilitarian yet spacious interior, frequently offering 3 rows of seating for larger families or more cargo. Both vehicles prioritize safety, incorporating airbags, anti-lock brakes, and stability control, with higher trims offering more advanced safety suites. Considering value and practicality, the Hyundai Tucson often provides a more budget-friendly entry point and better fuel efficiency for everyday driving. The Toyota Fortuner, while potentially having a higher initial cost, is renowned for its exceptional durability, strong resale value, and capability for heavy-duty tasks. Your choice depends on whether you prioritize urban comfort and modern tech or rugged reliability and off-road prowess. Check the description for a link to great meal prep containers and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.